Hey, it's Desi. I'm making Grandpa's chicken. Let me show you the recipe. Season the chicken on both sides with adobo. If you don't have that, you could use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Just sprinkle some soy sauce over the top. I didn't measure it, just use your judgment. I just added a little bit of pepper. I added a couple of tablespoons of butter and 3 sliced carrots. While the chicken is cooking, I'm just gonna make a quick glaze with 4 tablespoons of duck sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and just mix it together. It's just that easy. If you don't have that, you could use marmalade or a peach or apricot jam. Should work very well too. I applied the glaze and cooked the chicken for another 15 or 20 minutes uncovered. You don't want to put it too early or you'll burn the chicken. This glaze created a delicious glaze for the carrots as well. I only used 3 carrots, but next time I think I'll use the whole package. It was so delicious. I hope you love this recipe. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.